Liverpool delivers some of the highest rental yields in the UK property market. How is this possible? Firstly, the city offers relatively low prices for new build apartments, roughly 35% below the UK average. Secondly, there is huge demand for rental property from professionals, tourists and students. Average yields from long-term tenants reach almost 8% across the city. Very attractive. But within the short-term rental market, there's an even bigger income opportunity. Over 60 million people travel to the city each year for sports, nightlife, music, business and education. This visitor economy is now worth over £6 billion. But there aren't enough hotel rooms, especially at weekends. So renting an apartment for a short stay has become very popular. In real estate, low prices and high demand equals one thing: great rental returns for investors. At Abbey Row in Liverpool, where elite Realty invest are the master agents, yields are expected to be over 12%. But it gets better. The development is located within the £1 billion Knowledge Quarter regeneration zone. With around £700 million of investment happening in infrastructure, the upside potential is huge. In fact, we're expecting 25% to 30% capital growth in the next 3 to 4 years alone. Apartment prices at Abbey Row start from under £190,000. The cost per square foot is lower than most other major UK cities, leaving plenty of room for potential price growth. So if you're looking for an investment in a booming city centre location with strong cash flow and consistent growth, this is it. To find out more about investing, click the link to register and we'll be in touch.